April 2015 saw one of the strongest earthquakes in history happening in Nepal. And this is a structure here which simulates such a simulated crashed building, a pancake house, just as we found in Nepal. Well, we're not in Nepal over here, we're in Marche and Famenne. Marche and Famenne is a village in the Belgian Ardennes of the Belgian army, and here we can simulate such an earthquake. This is the ICARUS team, a Horizon 2020 project, together with the Belgian army and together with the Belgian search and rescue team, the Be Fast team. Because if something like that happens, you gotta be accurate, you gotta be precise, you gotta be fast, because you have only 72 hours to rescue people. After that, the survival chances decrease exponentially.
Locate the victim.
What would you really put as top priority that you would buy on the shopping list?
Certainly the Quadrotor, so this small helicopter type of unmanned aerial vehicle, because I really believe when you go on site and you have a quite big sector to cover, it makes sense to have good pictures that will help the team leader to make his assessment and his approach about okay, which is the angle we will take to attack this building in order to look and to search for victims. This is certainly one. Then ground robots, I really believe in them, depending on, of course, their size. That's also very important.
We see robots as an extra tool in the toolkit of the search and rescue people. So it's not like we want to replace them, we don't want to replace the dogs either. We want to just give them yet another tool. And here the use of the tool is, of these robots, is that they can go into semi-demolished buildings which are dangerous because there is still danger for collapse. So it would be dangerous to send people inside or even dogs because you don't want to risk them. So you could send the robots in to have a first look and see if there are people inside. If there are people inside, then you can go further to get the people out.
It can really sense its position and the environment around and can then decide if a window opening is large enough to go through. And it helps the user actually to tell him, well, you can try, but no, there's no way.
There have been quite a lot of tools which are not only usable in the case of earthquake, especially when you look at the case of the mapping and the situation awareness tools. And it's both the ground vehicles and the air vehicles which are really bringing a lot of new possibilities into our workflow.
On the door, and this is to give the open.
feathers, not good here.
Good. Thank you guys.
Thank you. Got it?
Got it.